Yeah, but I got the shatter off.
Oh, Ryan's chasing me.
Reaper on our.
They're in our spawn.
Wait, clear comms. Hold on.
No. He's gonna
Also
shoot
gonna have
us with
shatter,
it, bro. Okay, ready?
I'm gonna grab first.
Let's go right side around statue. Right side around statue. Zen's in the hotel, just ignore him.
Oh,
Reaper's behind.
guys.
Reaper's behind.
How does he
Oh,
take that long?
We don't
to
check
go?
corners.
Reset.
I'm just gonna die. Oh,
Yeah.
kill me. There we go.
You dodged
Okay.
my flash.
This Reaper is playing like a platinum and he's getting away with it.
Mm-hmm.
We're expecting him to play like a master. Alright, we have everyone. You know,
Oh, that's my bad.
You're-
Okay.
Okay.
I
play behind. Shield.
You guys are going in front.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm literally not gonna drop shield.
I need you to call if you're gonna drop shield.
Drop shield in 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
we can't do much.
Can I have shatter for
You have to
that?
lead us. Like you have to
I
go.
know.
No, not you.
Alright, we're coming up on Grav, and we have Dragon. Alright. We're gonna throw everything into this.
Don't frontline. Go through hotel again. What the fuck is this?
Right side.
Left side through hotel, okay?
I'm
Rise
grabbing
or shatter?
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Grabbing.
What?
Reaper's in hotel.
That's
Reaper's in hotel.
that's too close.
I'm there chasing. Oh crap. Okay.
Fuck.
I guess we just loot. Nice.
Alright.
That was too close.
That
Yeah.
was. The arrow was too close.
I think because they were playing so close to us. I think my Doomfist would have worked.
Maybe, yeah.
Yo.
I would have created a lot of space by going in their backline on Zen. It would have give you guys chance to push.
Let's try. Blizz World.
Our comms were pretty cluttered.
No, not really. They were just shit.
Yeah.
So their Widow's almost a 4,300 player. So
Only
Definitely.
43? What? Could easily get 47.
42, 40 this season.
Okay.
I think I could easily get 47 if you tried.
Oh,
We're gonna play triple support.
Let's get our brig. I feel like
Triple
their
support,
play
Hanzo.
style. Yeah, their play style is super close. So if we just punish that to do something, I do a countdown with my shatters. I do like a 3, 2, 1, 0, and on 0 I press Q. So time your shield bash according to that. I think Boding does it on like 1 or something.
He does
Don't
it
forget-
probably a bit after 1, right before. Because the
Yeah, a little bit after 1. So start looking for the shield bash.
You have a
Do the
leader?
countdown.
Oh,
no.
okay, that was.
For this, we're gonna hold up top and then rotate. All the tanks will contest while the supports and DPS stay high ground. We're gonna hold on point, like above it.
okay. Make sure you're playing corners, and you might have realized that the Widow's good.
They're only the real like impact that their team has. The rest of the shit.
She's
I mean-
just getting a lot of space.
That's not true.
so
They're getting a lot of space. Their
Close-
tanks are good. Tanks are really
Close
good.
the distance with Brig and bully the tanks.
Yeah, that Reinhardt is pretty good.
I'm gonna pop a Discord orb on Reinhardt, and we're gonna bully him for the rest of the
Yeah,
stream.
I don't think the right is
Alright.
good. He's easy to read.
Okay.
I said no follow.
I mean-
Killing him.
Yeah, even if he's not good, they're doing their job and it's working. So gotta make them stop doing their job so we can kill the fucking Widow.
Just
Literally,
honest to God, bully the Rhine for the
Bully
rest of
Rhine.
the stream.
yeah, I'm telling you, we're gonna win this game if you just make the Rhine as visible as I was.
All right. Yeah, you actually got.
They
Like,
have
yeah,
dive. They have
dive.
dive.
You guys want to drop or?
Break play with me. Break play with me. Oh
No.
fuck.
I think
they have a
everyone should
widow?
drive.
Break, come up here.
Drop.
Break,
Alright,
come here.
let's drop,
Break, come
drop
here.
play point. Drop play point.
Everybody drop.
I'm playing back right.
No,
A point.
I can't see where it goes.
on any deals.
Tracer's behind.
Where's the one?
No recall.
Tracer.
Yeah, Tracy,
Break,
no
break.
recall. Where's she one? Where's she one?
Give
Where's
us
she one?
one,
Where's
give
she one?
Nice.
Tracer's on me, right side.
I shatter. I shatter.
She's low.
There's someone in the back. He's one.
Yeah, Tracy's
Tracer's
from
in the
behind.
back. She's getting heals.
Probably, watch
I need to
out.
back up, reset shield.
I know,
He's
I'm-
gonna shield. They have no mech. I'm just gonna look for a free shatter when I see it.
Yeah.
I have it. I have it. I'm
Tracer's
ready.
still behind.
I got like
You
5
shut
of
up.
them.
Shoot.
Just a second. There we go.
Nice,
Done.
nice.
Good job. Back up.
Bitch!
Back up. Did you not get
I
the
think
mercy?
the only ult they'll have is probably Pulse.
Tracer should have it.
No,
Tracer
Yeah.
went to McCree. They're going right
I don't know. Tracy might
Genji
be
should be
close.
getting to his
No,
ult.
they don't have
Where's
the
the ult?
tracer anymore.
That
They
fair,
just
that
like
fair
a-
enough.
Tab.
Okay.
Tab.
I have Pharah.
Let's go to
Okay.
fair.
That's
all
fine.
time.
That's fine. Yeah.
Mercy might have ult. She'll be the only one to have ult.
Focus
Don't-
Farah and Ryan with this
Don't need the
board.
rockets. Dodge the rockets, okay?
Okay.
Dodge the rockets to
Play
your
my
best
cover.
ability.
They do, but
Please, right?
I'm
I
playing
think
around
they're pushing right side.
Right side, right side.
I'm gonna Valk when I get it.
Bars on me.
Bully Ryan.
Thank you. Ryan discorded. Good
Nice.
job. Zarya discorded.
Walking up.
They're Zen and Kree right
Low,
side.
that low.
Mercy
No,
no
No
Val.
shield. Zen, get the Zen over here.
He's dead.
Zarya.
Uh-oh. John W. Uh-oh.
Punish, we can punish Ryan. We can
I'm
punish
sick of it.
No, McCree.
Back up, back up.
Get out.
The
I
only,
shot
the
it,
only
so-
ult they should have is Trends.
They might have. They have shadow.
Might have
I think.
barrage. They might have barrage, honestly.
Ye- maybe.
Okay.
The Ryan hit the 3 shatter, so.
Yeah, she might have it.
I'll play as
I don't
PS
know.
Shatter.
I dinked Kree. I'm gonna have trans.
Yo, can we?
Hold on.
Do they have trans?
They should be getting close to it if they don't
Yeah.
have
I'll
it.
be, I'll be shatter first. I'm gonna say grab.
3, 2,
Okay.
3, 2.
Whatever.
No shit, these are gonna
We
get
got, we got
shot.
Zen.
One,
Zen.
one,
Go,
one.
go,
Zen dead, Zen
go,
dead.
go, go.
He's one.
I'm
He's
hammered.
dead.
We're fine, we're fine.
Can I grab? Can I grab?
Yeah,
Uh,
do it.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold
We're all
on.
there.
They're
You're right.
hiding out of nowhere.
Right
He's
side.
dead, he's dead, he's dead, he's dead.
Nice.
Good job.
Big.
I got dragons midway grab. Like, as you
They
did
no
it.
damage, so
It's
they-
okay.
I have that. They
Zen.
have
Zen
that.
trans. A moment with grab, so it still went through.
Yeah, they lost trans too.
Yeah,
Just
they're
make
gonna
sure we have a
Raj,
combo.
though.
Yeah.
Well,
I don't know
maybe.
where to play actually.
if
We
they
don't have- we have
trans,
support
make
ults.
sure there's a combo. But
It's
Come
last
back, guys.
fight.
They're gonna have barrage and grab.
I'm gonna Valk when they come in.
Listen, if we get
I'm holding
rid
back
of
left.
Farah's alive, we're probably gonna
Pushing
win.
left.
Farah barraging. Jesus.
I got Farah.
Ryan back.
Ryan.
Ryan one hit.
Focus turn.
Ryan's one hit still.
Ryan down.
Yeah, he's
Rezzing,
dead.
she's rezzing.
Mercy's rezzing.
I have shatter.
We get Mercy.
McCree
Where's she
one.
dead?
Zarya. Left side.
McCree's one.
You're shattering. You fucking did.
Oh, I
Okay,
didn't get
I don't know.
Wow, look at that. They didn't have a widow and we won. Like we full hell. Interesting. Their
We
team
had
is
a
bad.
Brigitte too.
And they get carried by a
I didn't say it was our Brigida.
Yeah, the brig was definitely a huge help. The Ryan did a lot less.
I think
Okay,
they're like
for
us.
this,
They're
let's
not
run
strong
goats.
with tide.
Wait, what comp are we running?
Same thing.
Okay.
Not goats.
Oh yeah,
Goats.
my bad.
Goats are first and
Oh.
switch
Scoot,
snipers.
scoot.
Is
Okay.
Ubi forever diva now?
Never.
Honestly, I think I'm stronger diva if we run goats and Ubi's
Fair. That's fair. You're going Brigida here, Steffer?
Briggy?
Well, that's like I go hog. Like, that's there's not a ton of high ground. I mean, nah, never mind.
No,
There's
Zarya's stronger.
a good amount of high ground. No, I meant
what do
I
you
meant
do?
for
No, I
instead of
agree.
Diva.
Hog's
That's
good.
what I meant.
Hog is good.
Yeah, there's high ground.
Malibu, what do
A
you
little
mean?
bit.
What?
We do the Brig Hanzo
Break Hanzo.
and then Mercy's Den. Yeah, I like that. That's like what the meta was initially when Brig came out.
It's honestly it's the best.
It is really good.
Especially for us. We're not the best with that short range stuff, and Brig totally makes up for it.
Yeah. That was funny yesterday in that scrim how like we were running comps and then like we weren't doing that well. We switched to goats and we just started
God
rolling.
damn it! I hate that, dude. That's so dumb.
If all else fails.
Hey man,
Triple
if it looks
tank coming
stupid, it
through.
looks stupid, but it works. It's not stupid.
Do you want to go left or right?
We're gonna go deep left, like in the inside,
Alright.
and then rush the point that way.
Come over here. Left entrance.
Follow me. Doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
It really doesn't matter. Follow the Rhine. We're gonna go quick, okay? So do you have speed boost?
I do.
Okay.
I'm
I'm gonna
amping
call it.
and-
They're on point.
Alright.
3. Not yet, actually. There's no need.
Yeah, Widow.
Where's Widow?
Up top.
Just behind shield. I did not.
Play
mean
under,
to-
play under.
Get Ryan, get Ryan, get Ryan.
I'm on Ryan.
Keep
He's
calling,
low.
keep calling. He's low.
He messed up his charge. He's one.
Please go Ryan, please go Ryan, please go Ryan.
Mercy's on the
Thank
bottom.
you.
Mercy- There you go. Hold on.
Any healing?
Mercy, 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 mercy,
Okay.
mercy. Resing.
Oh, Widow's on the ground.
I got you, I got you, I
Hanzo
got you.
low. Hanzo low.
Hanzo one,
Oh,
yeah.
I fucked up.
Mercy alone.
Okay, what are we doing?
Mercy alone on
What are we
point.
doing?
Play point. I'm dealing with Widow.
What
I'm
is
just
happening?
shielding you guys from the snipers. You gotta clean up point.
Dude, it's so dumb.
That was awful.
That was
That was-
sloppy.
Holy
That
fuck.
was sloppy.
They were
There's
sloppy.
no real target
I
focus.
1v1, there's Zarya, then I killed their Zen.
Wait, that's the wrong thing.
Back out. I'm not peeking this.
Are we switching up goat here? Or
No.
staying?
No,
No.
it's
Keep
working.
it.
Okay.
In
I
fact,
shot in
we're-
this fight.
I'm gonna coalesce.
We're gonna push. I'm gonna amp in 3, 2, now.
Look at
Are
Ryan,
we
dude.
focusing?
Right,
wanted
yeah,
you
we
to-
need to get Ryan.
Run.
Mercy's on payload. Okay, I'm shattering her out to this.
I'm full energy,
You win
do
this?
not let me die.
We win this!
Huge
gonna die.
shadow, dude.
You have no healers?
Ah! I'm
Get your
insane!
penis up.
Okay, next time can
Alright,
we
let's
call
clean it up.
Widow
Let's clean it
focus?
up. Yeah.
I
Yes,
do not
yes.
listen. Do not make the call to speed boost past their Ryan when he has shattered. That's just the easiest way
Speed
to get
boost
shattered.
into the Ryan.
That's why I said.
And-
That's why I said not.
I
to.
know, yeah.
I'm
Whatever.
gonna take
He's
high
gonna
ground.
shatter.
She has grab.
Does he have
She's
shatter?
70 to
We need to use it
He
first
doesn't
then.
have-
I'm gonna use it first.
Hanzo's
They're gonna
top.
top.
Ready, now.
Hanzo. Oh my god, it's fat.
Zarya's low. Oh,
Sorry,
she's
sorry,
low.
sorry.
One Zarya in the back. Right side. On point. Ryan's low. Ryan's one. Oh.
It's still winnable,
What
still
the-
winnable, still winnable.
It's still winnable.
It's
Mercy,
three,
mercy,
done.
mercy.
It's even.
Stay around your
Zen behind, Zen behind, Zen behind.
There's still a Zen behind. You don't
Yeah,
need
we
to chase.
got it, we got it, we got
Oh,
it, we
yeah,
got
you
it.
do, yeah, you do.
Nice.
Easy clap.
That's fat.
I got a shatter in
Good,
like 10
good bomb.
seconds.
Good bomb.
Me and Malibu and Zen.
Do they have grab?
B.
Yeah, they have grab.
They have Junkrat, they have
Oh.
Junkrat. We might want to swap up break here. No shield?
You want to?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
maybe.
With the junk, it's gonna be rough.
It would be a good
I got
it would be
picked, I
decent.
got picked.
Break for junk.
Okay, back up, back up, back up.
We're 5.
I'm full energy. Rip.
Okay.
I
did
did
it.
They're
They
using
use
ults, they're using
too
ults, it's
much.
fine.
Go.
I knew they were gonna do
Are
that.
we
Good
switching
shit.
back to Mercy Zen?
Maybe.
You want a
Yeah,
fair?
yeah. Go.
Yeah, go 2 tank.
Hmm.
What do you
Yeah,
want
yeah,
to
yeah.
buy?
Who be switch?
Where do I go?
I don't know. Go
Hanzo?
2 tanks.
Go Hanzo.
Go Hanzo. Get Hanzo Zarya.
What are you guys doing?
Switching slowly.
Do you want me to
Why are
fair?
you dying outside a spawn door?
That's fine, this is fine, this is fine.
Okay.
Ready? Can we
Yeah.
engage? Okay, walk up, walk up.
Oh, dude.
I
Oh,
tried.
I don't know.
Bam, by the way.
There's so much spam.
Yeah, I know. Play around,
Bam,
play
by
around.
the way.
Oh, shut up. Thank you. Oh, don't charge.
I think I should.
I can go Lucio and we can
Nothing
speed
I can do
left.
versus that charge.
Yeah, let's go left this time.
Yeah.
Not working.
They have Hanzo junk. We can't do anything about that. Okay, just go left. Go left. Look at the spam.
We're waiting. Look at Ozaria. Look at Ozaria.
No,
Ozaria's far right. Go left side.
Okay, left. Are we all here? Where's
Yeah,
Zarya?
yeah,
Oh, what
it's
the
fine.
fuck?
It's fine, just go.
Nigga.
Nibba. Alright, I'll be behind you.
Oh, I'm dead.
You're sick.
Okay, ready to walk out?
Dragon, watch out.
Junk dead.
That's big.
Hans,
What
or
did they show?
him, he's dead, whatever his name is.
Get Ryan.
Mine's alone.
Okay, I'm killing everybody, please.
Okay, I'm gonna rest. Give me a sec.
Ryan?
Oh, crap. Never mind.
gotta help
Those
us right here.
supports are down. We gotta go, please.
Yeah.
The Hanzo just picking me from the right side.
Oh, we didn't
Yeah,
even
push.
push the
Yeah,
payload.
no one
Did I go
Alright.
fair, guys?
Monk
Oh,
as
Ryan's
shit.
really won. Hold on. There we go.
There. I have shatter. Get Hans on the right. I can shatter the rest. I can't get my back kill though.
Okay. He's gone.
I'm walking out. Make sure you keep throwing cart.
I'm in a trap.
You gotta watch the ground, my
Watch.
dude.
Yeah, watch the traps. I have shatter this fight.
I'll wait for
I'm
Red.
hiding.
It's half?
I got
It's
it,
going-
dude.
Oh.
I literally fire strike that. Fuck. He's gonna shatter.
I'm down. Back up. Back
He's
up.
one,
Back
he's
up.
one.
Okay, maybe go spam
will
from
be.
here. Go Brig, go Junkrat.
Yeah, break for junk.
I thought I called that a while ago. I didn't realize just let it break.
I asked like a few times. Do you want
It
me to
was
go
me.
fair? What do you want me to go?
Farah,
Go.
junk.
Jump.
Junk.
yeah.
Okay, sure.
Don't peek.
Yo, we can combo here, we'll just wipe.
Okay. Main or left?
Well,
Main.
they have a junk.
Go
Walk up.
before they can get it
They
back.
rezzed it, it's too late.
Doesn't matter. Combo it.
Trap.
Combo, 3, 2, 1, go.
Damage boosting?
Good.
Oh.
I didn't have it. I was at 99.
Wow. That's unlucky.
That
Now we
was
used our combo,
scary.
got nothing out of it. That's not good. How do we get nothing out of it? The damage boost.
It's alright, you don't
Hey,
need it.
trans. He
I
got
don't, I
it.
don't know how I hit that. It's gonna res it.
Shut up!
Here it comes.
Okay.
Walk up. I shatter. I just want to shatter here, please.
Okay, pocket, wait.
Here,
They're
I got
lacking
some-
because they know.
He has shatter.
When he fire strikes them.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice, dude. Get the Zarya under
Zarya
charge.
has to die,
I have no shield, no
Mercy's
shield, no
behind you
shield.
guys.
Oh, dude.
Who?
I'm rezzing.
Nothing.
Have ult, have Junkrat.
Zarya's still alive. I need shield. I can't hold her.
Does he have shatter? Oh,
No,
Yeah,
he-
he just used it.
I'm dead. I'm not getting. Fuck, dude.
I got you. Let's go. Let's go
Walk up,
forward.
walk
Go
up.
forward. We have
Damage boosting.
Call a target.
Big.
Hanzo.
Zarya. Mercy resing right side.
Hanzo on point.
I'm dead.
Score 0-2. Switching side.